Hello, everyone. I have a question. What do you do on a beautiful Thursday, 80-degree weather on the 2nd of May? Well, if you're from North Carolina, you would go to the Outer Banks, and that's where we headed on this RV trip today. I have my traveling companion with me. I don't know if she wants to lean over and say hey or hello or what have you. She got her little neck pillow on and comfortable, so she may not say anything. But trust me, she's going to say something to everybody as we go through this weekend. So we head into the Outer Banks KOA site. We've been there once before. We went last year, and it's the Outer Banks meetup, where we meet a host of other friends from Maryland, Virginia, also in North Carolina as well. We had a great time last year, so we expect to have an even greater time this year, and we look to branch out and do something we didn't do last year. Perhaps go to the beach. Maybe we can tour the wild horses on the beach or something like that. But continue to tune us with us, and we'll check back in as we travel along and when we get there.
So the weather was excellent for traveling. We didn't have any problems whatsoever with the vehicle, nor with the travel trailer. We only stopped once to refill with fuel, and we were on our way. This particular video is a little lengthy. It's about 39 minutes or so. But I hope you enjoy it all the way to the end, for I put all 3 days or 4 days and 3 nights into one video this time. So bear with me, watch it to the end, and look at all the fun that we had on this Outer Banks meetup. After about 5 hours of travel, we finally made it to the Outer Banks West, to the Catterick Sound. Now, this is a very, very narrow road as we're traveling to the KOA, but it's beautiful scenery as you look at the sound, the houses that are right here, the decks that's leading out to the waterway where people are relaxing and things of that nature. It is so beautiful. But for one's first time, now this is our second time, but for your first time, this road right here can be a little harrowing, if that's the word. You all understand what I'm trying to say. So all of our stuff in a night registration box. And so we're going to check in. And we'll see them in the morning to take care of everything.
great Friday morning, everyone. We're sitting at a beautiful location right now. We're at Outer Banks West, Couturic KOA in the Outer Banks of North Carolina. We're here for the Outer Banks meetup hosted by Arnell Mumford, my wife and I. So we're just sitting out in the canopy right now enjoying this beautiful view. Just got finished eating a delicious breakfast. And so we're planning out our day, which I'm going to start to do a little fishing. And maybe I catch something, maybe I won't. But I know I have a little relaxation, peace of mind just for a little while. And maybe practice a little bit. And I think we're going to plan our day today. We're going to the beach. I think it's in Kitty Hawk. We went there last year. It was a little cool during this time last year. But not today. It's going to be in the 80s today. And we're going to enjoy ourselves. Then come back to meet up with other friends that are already here and those that are coming in today. And get ready for the fish fry on this evening. I'm not going to ask her the question because I know she don't want to say anything right now. She's shaking her head. But Miss Pumpkin, she said good morning and hello.
Good morning and hello.
So with that said, just look at this beautiful view. As I turn it around. Especially at night, when in the evening hour when the sun goes down, it goes down on this side. It's a beautiful, beautiful view. I was able to get a picture yesterday. Didn't get any documentation yesterday or a lot of pictures because this here canopy right here wore my butt out. Everybody else got their pull-ups and brethren, they said, do you need some help? But because of my first time, I wanted to try to do it myself so I know how to do it when I have an opportunity. But I ended up having to get 2 more people to help me out. I had the poles wrong and everything. My buddy over there, James, he just bloop, popped his up. I looked over there, his was finished. And who knows what my birthday in June might bring. My wife said no. Alrighty. Alright, so we'll talk to you all later.
So as I'm sitting out on the pier doing a little morning fishing, why not scan the area so that you can see the beauty of the Outer Banks Couturic Sound KOA. What else does one do when you're not catching any bites or anything of that nature? So take some photos, take some videos, and enjoy yourself. You can best believe I stay ready when it comes to fishing, but always catching something. Seems like I'll be doing a lot of practice and ain't catching anything. But I did catch a little something, as you'll see in a few seconds. I kept catching all this seaweed. That's what I was catching. Well, it was time to make our way to Kitty Hawk Beach. Again, it's about 40 to 45 minutes from where we were at the Outer Banks site, but it was a good scenery as we traveled along. When you're walking on sand of the beach, the sand will really let you know when you are out of shape, because it will definitely work you out. Bruh-man was tired walking this little short distance. I had to go back to the truck and get our little table, and so I got help with my shadow to help push me along. We couldn't ask for anything more. Literally, we had the beach all to ourselves. That was our spot right there. You know, some goodies that Miss Pumpkin, she went and picked up. And there we are, smiling. Oh yeah, we had to eat. You know I'm gonna eat.
Hey fam, so how do you say it? We have came and we have conquered Kitty Hawk Beach. We've been out here for maybe 2 hours, hour and a half, 2 hours, what have you. We just wanted to come to relax today and just chill before the evening event start at the meetup over at the Outer Banks West KOA site. So we're here in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina at Kitty Hawk Beach. Just enjoying the moment. It's peaceful. Nobody's really out today. And so we're gonna get ready to load up the truck, what we brought out, and we're gonna head on back to the Outer Banks part of North Carolina. After, we're gonna stop at one of the fruit stands and we'll get some fruit to prepare a delicious fruit bowl or fruit salad for tomorrow's potluck.
We saw the Grandy Greenhouse and Farm Market on our way to the beach, so we decided to stop back when we were returning to the Outer Banks to pick up some fruit, for we were making a fruit salad for the potluck, which was going to be going on Saturday evening. The market had fruits of every kind. They also had gift items that you can purchase, souvenir items. They had wine. They also had a bakery inside where you can get cookies, pies, and things of that nature as well.
Yeah, blueberry's not bad.
And this is the
Blueberry.
This is
the
the-
XXL blueberry.
blueberry.
All right, dude.
Heading back to the campsite, this is where things took a turn. All of a sudden, the wind was blowing. Fog was coming across that little narrow street heading back to the campsite. The wind was howling. I don't know what was going on. Asked my wife, I said, is this a hurricane or what? Just look at the wind blowing. This was all in a matter of hours since the morning time we went to the beach and returning back.
So this morning we went to the beach over at Kitty Hawk Beach, about 40 minutes from here. We just got back, but at the beach it was nice. I would say 80-degree weather. It was beautiful. The ocean there was calm. Then we get back to the Outer Banks, to the campsite, and this is what we see. So you may hear the wind howling and everything. I don't know what is going on. I was out here earlier this morning fishing, but now look at this. I don't know what you call it or what have you, but it is crazy out here. This is why when you leave during the day, you don't leave your awnings out or anything. You make sure you have everything staked down when you leave, so when you come back it is put into place. I'm trying to get the camera right, so I'm getting ready to go inside and take these shorts off, take me a shower, and put on some jeans or a sweatsuit and a hoodie. And we're going to see what this weather holds for us a little later on.
Ray Parker had a saying in his hit record, Ghostbusters, I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Well, we were not going to let this dampen our spirits. We wasn't afraid of no wind, a little drop in temperature. It was time to get things started. It was 6 o'clock p.m. in the evening hour, Friday, for the fish fry and meetup at Arnell's location, of course. As a figure of speech, it was good to see old friends that I haven't seen in months, and also some that I've seen just 2 weeks ago at our event, the Davis RV Life. But it's also good to meet new friends as well, living at RV Life. Just check out that vibe right there. That fish do something to you. What can I say about the GOAT himself? Though people were still arriving on Friday, and then the weather may have dampened some spirit, they didn't come out to the fish fry and the meetup. Those that came, I'm sure I can speak for everyone. We had a great time on Friday evening, waiting for Saturday, the grand finale. And what an amazing, beautiful sight at the fire pit when color was added into the fire to create these amazing ambers of different colors. Well, it's Saturday. This is the last day of festivities. as my wife Andrea, aka Pumpkin. She's fixing up the fruit salad for later this evening. Good morning to you. It's about nearly 10 a.m. on this now a lovely, beautiful Saturday morning, first weekend of May 2024. Believe it or not, we're still here at the Outer Banks. But looking at the weather from yesterday that we have shown you, there is no comparison of the way things are now. And I'm going to turn the camera around to let you get a good view. The view in which I'm about to show you is that of Friday morning. As we set out and ate breakfast here at the canopy, the sun was out, beautiful 80-degree weather. We went to the beach, Kitty Hawk Beach yesterday, which is about 40 to 45 minutes from here. Nice, beautiful weather. Ocean was calm. And then on the way coming back, I guess I can say it's like complete change. I didn't know what was going on. You saw the fog rolling in, so to speak. The wind was up, and as you can see, the waves here, when we came back, they were quite angry. But today is another beautiful day. Everybody didn't really come out because it was a little chilly last night as well. But the wind, so we did have a little slight meetup, but not like we're gonna have today for the finale. Those that are participating here at the Outer Banks. I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can get a view. So this is what I'm talking about right now. See how beautiful the quick change from last night to right now. So what I'm gonna do is I got my little fishing partners right here. I'm gonna go put these lines to use. I don't want to practice today. I practiced yesterday, but hopefully I can catch something today. So we're going to see how the day unfolds. Saturday morning, a lot of us took to the banks to go fishing, but as you see, I wasn't catching nothing but seaweed. Robin was out there. Also, there's Miss J. She's the fish expert. She was catching everything. Also, John was out there with us as well. Jay is saying, just add this catfish into the bucket with the rest of them. All right, so this is our new whip for today. I was telling the wife maybe for the last day we'll go ahead and rent one of these golf carts, so I won't have to be lugging these chairs when we go to the meetup and stuff like I did last night. So this is our whip for today, and we're going to enjoy this thing on this last day. Make sure
I got everything positioned right, and we're off. So enjoy the ride with me as we're riding back to the site. And we're gonna do a little picture view video. Let me get it changed around. That's the taxi area here. The waterway taxi area, which is right beside the Welcome Center. Okay, go ahead. Some of the cabins that you can rent, or tiny houses. So again, since yesterday, a lot of people have arrived. Enjoy this bumpy ride as I go back. Morning, morning. But then there's a good breeze as well. Not only can you rent tiny houses or the cabins, you can rent RVs as well. These are some RVs that you can rent. I guess I was going too slow. I got passed. That's the playground, the cap store, the bathhouses, pet park. More rentals here that you can rent out. Is that an Aggie that I see right there that done caught my eye? How you all doing? All righty. Alrighty. So I just met some Aggies. We'll meet them later on today. Hi, Steve. especially the location. All right now. And here we are.
As my pastor, Bishop Mary Jackson, would often say to the congregation, wake up, are you still with me? Oh, still with me? I know it's a little lengthy, but we're almost near the end, and it's almost time for the Saturday potluck grand finale. As we continued to ride around in our new whip, there were new friends that we met at the KOA site. Again, it's a beautiful site. They have something for everyone. This is the playground area.
Me and Miss Punkin, we're riding in our new whip for the day. Say something. You haven't said nothing all weekend long. Say hello to the people.
Hello.
All righty, everybody. Look, I got you before you got me.
Look, they right here. Look at this spot.
Oh, you have to hear the music.
No, the deck is right here at the water. I like that.
They just built that yesterday.
Is that what happened?
Knew you had something to do with it.
I didn't hear the music, but I saw you dancing from afar. I said, she's right up my alley. Yes. I said, it have to be something because she haven't sat down yet.
Yeah, so we got to chit-chatting, talking about going to different places. I said, man, where you from? From Ghana.
Get out of
His
here.
address. He about
I think I seen you at
12
one of the
minutes.
events.
He probably
One of
12
the
minutes
events.
from my house.
12 minutes from your
Probably
house?
12 minutes from my house where he lives.
That's what it's all about.
That's right.
All
All
family.
the way out
Yes.
here to meet somebody live next to me.
Oh, yeah, next door.
All right.
All right, get good pictures, man.
We're going to put this rental to use.
It's Saturday evening. The potluck has started. Just don't pay any attention to my plate. I had to get some of everything. Congratulations, Gwen, being added on to the admin team. Like I said earlier, there were people from everywhere. And also, new people is their first time at one of Arnell's meetups. Thank you to everyone that participated in the potluck. It was so delicious. And again, what can you say about this man right here? The t-shirt says it all. I bring people together. It was great meeting the McCains from Kernersville, North Carolina. All in all, we're just one big happy family, doing things we like, same mind, same spirit, traveling, going to different places, meeting new people. We never leave until the party has started. As the evening carries on, it's time that we must say goodbye to some. The smile, the hugs, the daps, and the gifts received from friends. KOA Outer Bank, you didn't disappoint. Again, follow us. Not only follow, but subscribe to us. Davis RV Life, where we're just enjoying the RV life to the fullest.